Brown skin girl, your skin just like pearls.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the foundation of your makeup application. And the foundation of your makeup application is skin. Every flawless makeup application has to begin with great skin. It is very important that you understand having nice, clear skin makes a great difference with the finish of your makeup application. And today I would like to let you all know exactly what I do to have that flawless finish. First of all, I don't have bad skin. Thank God I have great genes. And the skin that you're seeing now, this is, it's genetics. My skincare regimen only consists of 2 products, Dove Pink and cortisone cream. This is it. I use Dove Pink to cleanse and I use the cortisone cream to moisturize. Now I know everyone may not agree with that, but this is what I use and this is how I maintain my skin. And every once in a while I may end up with a pimple or just a bump or something, and I treat it with 91% alcohol. Today I wanted to let you know, along with that, what I have been doing for the last year is shaving my face. Hey, don't knock it till you try it. I was scared at first because I was told that if you start shaving your face, you're gonna end up with all this hair on your face and just all kinds of things. I've been doing it for the last year and I have not had that issue. Thank you, Lord. I have gone without shaving my face for about a month, and I'm not a very hairy person anyway. And when I say that, I mean like on my face, my arms, my legs. I don't have a lot of hair, so I have a little hair here. I have hair here. I don't know if you can see it. What we don't know, or what we probably haven't realized is, and this is everyone, we all have little fine hairs all over our face. And I found that out the very first time I shaved my face. I tried it and I've been doing it ever since. So what I use a razor like this. You can get this from your local beauty supply store. It was $1. I always cleanse my face first, and then I do not add any additional product to it. Clean face, razor. I always begin on my cheeks. Thank me later. This makes a huge difference in the finish of your makeup application. I begin here and go in a downward motion. Do y'all see that? And that's just in that area. Told y'all. All these little fine hairs, and it's just all over our face. And it leaves it so soft and smooth. And now I'm about to do my lip area. I'm still using a downward motion. At this point, you can do your eyebrows if you choose to. I have a little hair under there, so I can just take it going in the opposite direction that the hair grows and just clean up my brows like so. And now for the hair above the brows. Be careful when doing that because you don't want to take your brow off. Down the center, in between the brows. So now let's go down the forehead. Coming down from the hairline. Y'all see that hair? Y'all see that? And I'm pulling my skin upward so that I can see and not take off too much in one certain area going towards my eyebrow, because I do not want to be eyebrowless. Now, I don't do the eyelids. I mean, that's just too close to my eye. At this point, you can just kind of go over your face to make sure you have gotten all of the hair off. Let's not forget about the chin. Now look at this. This is what came off of my face. And some of us are a little bit hairier than others. And some people just don't believe in shaving their face. Even if you don't use a razor, you can get it waxed. Because when we are applying makeup, that is the worst. Consider either shaving with a razor or waxing it, but just remove the hair before you get a makeup application. But right now, this doesn't bother me, but you end up being almost a shade lighter once you take the hair off. Look at this. A nice smooth complexion. Now what you want to do at this point is using cotton balls and just kind of go over the face. Make sure you have all that hair off. Just taking a couple of cotton balls. Make sure your cotton balls are moistened. You can use a little water. In my case, I am using 91% alcohol. And I just take it and go all over the face, everywhere I shaved. May have a little burn, but it's okay. Once you're through with that, if you don't use alcohol and you use water, whatever you use, make sure it's completely dry. You can also use a toner. That's part of your skincare regimen. You could use a toner at that point. And then you want to follow up with your moisturizer. In my case, it's the cortisone cream. And I just put a dot there, there, here, and the forehead. And rub it in. Everywhere you place that razor on your face, that's where you want to moisturize. And voila! Nice, fresh, shaved face, and it is ready for the makeup application. I would like to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see each of you in the next video. Adios.